In previous video, we created a project on our Intellij Idea, a Java project. In this video, we will see how we can send this project, upload this project on GitHub. As you can see, currently I am in my GitHub account and the latest repository is 3 days ago. We will add Technocrat's demo repository on my GitHub using Intellij Idea. On Intellij Idea, you will find a Git option if it is already enabled. If not, search for VCS operation where you can select Git as your default versioning control system. Once you select that as your default versioning control system, you can see Git option on the taskbar. Now here our project is created, and you can also right click on this project and see there is a Git option present and multiple Git command related operations are provided here. Or on the bottom, you can see here on the left side there is a small Git option, and which again gives us all the different options to commit our changes. So you can simply click on commit local changes over here, or just right click on your project, Git, and go to commit directory. So on commit directory, you will see that we have multiple files which are ready for being committed. But when we commit these files, this will be only committed on local, not on GitHub. And also we don't require all other files. We just care about Java class, main.java. All others are auto-generated files, so we will ignore those files. You can give a meaningful name for the commit message. These names are really useful when you try to check the history of your commits and what is exactly in the commit. So try to describe it in one liner at least, like what is inside this commit. And then there are two options, commit and push. Commit option is basically only for local commit. So this changes will just stay on your local, but it will be recorded by Git as a commit. And if you choose commit and push, this should push commit in your local and push the changes to GitHub. But as you see, we don't have any repository for our project as of now over here. So we can first either create a GitHub repository on GitHub with this option, new option. There's also another video. I will attach that video on the top right corner of this video, where you can see how we can create Git repository. Once you create a Git repository, you need to connect that remote repository with your local Git repository. To do that, you can find this option over here. So in Git, you have GitHub, and there is another option, share project on GitHub. So if you select share project, you will see there is the Technocrats demo, origin, you can give some description, and now share by. This is the option where you have to attach your account. So just click on add account, and you can connect your plugin, this plugin, Intellij plugin, with GitHub. So let's say if I go with the token option, click on the token option. Now you have to generate a token for this GitHub account if it is not already generated. If it is already generated, you can just copy. So you can see when you click on that button, you already redirected into developer setting, personal access tokens option. So this will create the token for you. You can, if it's a personal computer, you can just go with no expiration or select any custom date as you want. There are some options already selected by Intellij Idea plugin when it redirected here. So you can just generate the token over here. Now you can see the token is generated. Just copy this token and paste here. Now add the account. That's it. Your account is been added. Space was not accepted as a name. So we'll name this as Technocrats-demo and share it. So while sharing, it's also asking to commit. So what's happening here is all our local changes, Git plugin from Intellij Idea is trying to push these local changes on remote. But as I said, we just want to push our Java class and no other classes, no other files. So we'll just select this package. We have another way to ignore this file by default, that is by adding git ignore file in our project. In next video, I will show you how we can add a git ignore file and what exactly is purpose of adding git ignore file in detail. But for now, in short, you can understand that git ignore will help you not to send these files on GitHub repository automatically. You don't have to uncheck. You will not see at all over here. Give some initial commit message, a meaningful message, and just click on add. and on bottom left corner you will see that successfully shared project on GitHub, Technocrats demo. So if I click this, here you go. Our project has been on GitHub now. 10 seconds ago, you can see here. There are a lot of other operations you can explore with Git in Intellij Idea. If you are aware with basic commands of Git, you will see that all those commands are available here with simple commands, simple buttons like push, fetch, pull, merging, rebasing, creating branches, etc. When you have multiple branches, you have on the bottom left corner, you have this way to change the branches. You can even create a branch for your repository from Intellij Idea. So Git plugin itself is very powerful. I will create another video to explain in detail all different options which are available under Git plugin and which options are really useful for developers. That's all for this video. I hope now you can send or upload your project on GitHub repository easily with the help of Intellij and Git plugin. Thank you very much for watching.